63 years plus we've been married. This is for Bobby. Okay, Chris, this is for you and my subscribers. I am 84 years old in December the 13th to be exact. You requested that I show you the vegetables in my garden. Most of the videos I put up on vegetables and gardening is from Starkey's Farmstead. That's my daughter. She is into it big time. Basically what I have now in my yard, there's my bees, my honeybees. I play with those. I enjoy working with them. They're a lot of. I put that brand new little top on it. It gives them a little wiggle room here in the top. They can get on top and move around. And like I said, as long as they have room, they're pretty well going to stay here and multiply. Now, this round bed here, I just planted okra, wildflowers, beets, carrots, and radishes. I was raised in sharecroppers in rural Mississippi. We were sharecroppers. I've been working on farms all my life, off and on. I've had people say, well, all you do is just take it out of books. No, I do read, I do study, but I definitely enjoy what I do. I just don't do that much anymore. Now, just because a doctor quit being a doctor, retired, don't mean he don't know what he's talking about. So, but I'm trying to be honest. This is my ginger. Blackberries, ginger, and if you get to looking, there's a little watermelon or two in here. There's one right there. There's the vine right there, and there's the other one right there. Okay, now, I basically plant stuff here that comes back on its own. I harvest my ginger, but I always restock it. I started off with the one on the end. Oh Lord, years ago. I got watermelons in there I didn't even see. Look, hanging in there. Anyway, I planted that one. I harvested what I needed. I used a lot of ginger, a lot of it. Then I moved over, and this is another type ginger, a different type. And I put some there, got it started this one. All right, and I'll get to the others way over yonder. I got another one just starting out. Now, what I do, like I said, I plant stuff that basically grows back without too much upkeep. My blackberries, they come back every year. I just kind of keep them pruned. Now, right here, I have blackberries, tomatoes, and if you look careful, that is an old original fig. I had to move it 3 or 4 times over the years for different reasons and I almost lost it, but she's coming back. Now this right here is my LSU Go. That hard freeze last year bit that thing, hurt it. You see the stumps, it's coming back. This is stuff that comes back by itself. I don't have to keep replanting. Right here, asparagus. I love asparagus. It's also very good for you. And I plant it every year. Asparagus. Then I have some onions right here, very few. And when you come around, this is my onions, right there, okay? I have not planted anything right here. This is coming up from last year as butter beans. All right, I have blueberries. In fact, I've got 7 or 8 bushes. I got all these blueberries here. I got blueberries out front, right there. I got Japanese plums. I have some sweet potatoes growing here. Basically, that's all I do. I don't farm anymore for 2 reasons. We travel too much and I'm just getting too tired. I just set this ginger out. It's just now starting to grow. That'll be a fuller ginger next year. I love this stuff, and I have the devilish time remember the name of it. Anyway, it's edible, good for you, and it comes back every year by itself. The Japanese plums right there, my great-grandson will stand there and strip every one of them off that tree. He loves them. More blueberries. But Chris, that's all I do. I don't mislead anybody. I answer questions on farming. I show what I do, how I do, when I do. That's what, I mean, yeah, I've had, like I said, people say, well, look, all you're doing is reading books. You know, yeah, I read books. Doctors read books, lawyers read books. If you're going to stay on top of stuff, you need to read books and talk to people. My subscribers has helped me more to learn and retain than any book you can buy. Thank you.